welcome back. Great to see you again. Thank you for joining us. I hope you've been enjoying our videos so far, but there's many more to come, so stick with us. Hey, today we're going to be making Spanish tortilla. What is a Spanish tortilla? Spanish tortilla is a Spanish omelet. It's made with very few ingredients. We're only going to be using potatoes, onion, eggs, salt, pepper, and olive oil. That is all it takes, but the flavors are absolutely amazing. We're not going to just throw things together. We're going to cook the potatoes first in the olive oil and the onions like in a confit type of style, which is a medium high temperature oil which will not brown the potatoes. That's very important. The potatoes are not brown, but they're cooked. And then we'll whip the eggs, mix them all together, and make the omelet. I'm going to show you the technique and how it's done. Sit back, enjoy the video. Spanish omelet. Delicious, few ingredients. You have to try this recipe. You might fail a few times, it might not cook correctly, you might overcook it, undercook it, but you have to try this over a few times, and once you get it, it is absolutely fantastic. Trust me, I've had plenty of failures with this. Today's was a bit okay. I've done better, but trust me, I've done even worse. The trick is in the potatoes. Make sure you cook them on low and slow. 15 to 20 minutes will take you for that particular recipe. Just feel it with your fork, then pull them out, let them come down to warm, and put them together. Once again, your pan, when you're cooking the omelet, is gonna start high and then bring it down low. Cover it so it gets a bit firmer than the one you saw in my video. It was a bit too loose. I should have waited a bit longer. But anyway, then you flip it over and back in carefully goes. Cook it until you have that perfect feel and firmness, just a little bit runny in the middle. You will love this recipe. Give it a try. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Once again, thank you for your comment and feedback. Thank you for joining us today. Have an incredible day, great week, and we'll see you next week. Meanwhile, I think I'll go have my lunch.